Hey, so up here in this field, I got to work on feeding the sheep a little bit, and I just wanted to show you guys something while we were up here. So first of all, it's hot as all get out. We haven't had rain in forever, um, over a month now of no rain, and this field up here is just super crunchy. So you can see behind us, everything's brown. Um, but if you look, I wanted to show you this. This right here is that swale that we made. You see it going up there, goes all the way up and then comes back down along here and down around there. But the cool thing is, it's a little tough to tell on camera, but it's green along there. And I think part of it's just because it's new grass growing, but the other part is that it's soaked up a little bit of water and kept the water there. So the other night we had 0.08 inches of rain, and that's wasn't really enough to do anything. But well, the other thing I wanted to show you was, look right here. You see this grass? If you look at this whole field, the whole field is just bare, except for right here where we've been feeding hay. So there's another spot there, and then if you come over here, right there, is actually still growing grass. It's still growing, while the rest of the field has pretty much stopped because it's so hot and so dry. So what we're doing is we're actually taking and bringing hay up here for two reasons. One, to feed the sheep, and two, we're doing it to help grow grass in this field and get seeds. So three would be to get seeds planted in here. So if you look, here's what we're doing now. So we're taking the hay and splitting it up and just putting it out here. And these sheep and this silly dog who's smiling at me will take it and spread it around. Once they're done, they just got moved into this section today. But once they're done eating everything they want, they'll start moving this grass around, moving the hay around on the grass. And this will start sprouting up and being new parts of grass growing in the field. Kind of like this place as I just showed you. So kind of a really cool, interesting concept. With cows, the people will actually get round bales and roll them out across the whole field, and that's how they get the seeds from the hay planted. So we're actually importing soil fertility rather than taking this field and turning it into hay and taking everything that's good, the minerals and everything off the field. We're buying the minerals from somebody else who hays and putting it on the field. So over time, this whole field will become better and better. So the cool thing is we just let the sheep do the work for us. We get to feed them, and they poop in the hay, spread the hay around, and it becomes a good fertile spot. So just wanted to share that with you. It's something kind of cool. You can also do the same thing with chickens. So you can feed the chickens hay. The chickens don't really eat the hay, but they spread it all over the place and get the seeds all spread out for you. So yeah, give it a try. And this is homesteading.